Hello guys, welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video we will learn how to install the Go programming language on Windows 10. So let us start. At first go to the web browser. On Google type Go and press enter. Here is the official website go.dev. Click on it. After clicking, here is the official website and you can directly see the download link. Click on it. Here different versions are visible for Go below, and we want for Windows, so I'll just click on the Windows, that is .msi extension. Click on it. The download started. Let's wait. It's only 68 MB. We have downloaded the installer file for Go. Right click and click open to begin the installation. Minimize. The setup started. Click next. The following is the license agreement. Click next. Go will get installed in the following location. Keep it as it is and click next. Click install. Now let's wait. Guys, we have installed Go successfully. Click finish. Now let us go to the location. We installed Go in C language, program files, and here is the path. Double click, copy this path. Now let us minimize. Go to start, type environment variables. Click open. After clicking open, you need to click on environment variables. Here, when you will double click on path under system variables, you can see it automatically added the bin path. Click OK. Now we need to also add another path. For that, under user variables, click new, add the variable name. Here I'll mention go root and I'll paste the same path. This is the same path we copied from here. Okay, and click OK. OK, and the last OK. We successfully installed it. Let us verify. Go to start, type cmd, click open. Now type go space version and press enter. The following is visible, that means we successfully installed Go. To learn how to set up Go on VS Code, refer to the link in the description of the video. Thank you for watching.